time we'd come back, we'd have to fill out an assessment of what happened throughout the day.
Okay. I'm just making this video for like any purposes. Pikachu and Redbird Part 2 is coming out very soon. I'm gonna upload it to on Sunday. I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna make the video of Angry Bird and Pikachu versus each other Part 2. And I haven't uploaded one of those in a long time. I've been waiting for it, and like I've been like just like waiting for you guys for a surprise to actually be telling you this. In this thing, I want you all to comment down below, like cheering for the Part 2 is coming out. And bye, peace out, Isaac Herbs.